Give your chicken this kind of treatment, fry it and enjoy, and thank yourself later. Okay, hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm teaching you how to make your chicken to make it taste super delicious. So to begin with, I added all these ingredients which I'm adding on the screen, but this is brown sugar, and to that I'm also going to add in some dark soy sauce. I already added chicken cubes, and I'll go ahead to add cocoa powder. Yes, trust me when I tell you this chicken deserves all the treatment. Okay, next I added all seasoning, all pepper seasoning, and to that I added some oil just to bring everything together. So what we are going to do is to mix this very well. Be sure to mix it very well so that everything is well incorporated. And next you want to cover this and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes or anytime if you have much time. So next, in a pot I'm going to transfer all our chicken well seasoned into our pot, and this is soft chicken, so do not worry, it doesn't take long to cook at all. But if you are using hard chicken, then give it all the times it needs. So next we are just going to flip this over and allow the other side to also cook. Guys, just look at this goodness. This chicken is everything you need right now. Make your chicken this way and just you really enjoy, trust me. So we flip everything for the other half to also cook, and next we are just going to cover it and allow the cooking process to continue. So this is like we are just steaming the chicken. Okay, so next we came to check. Just look at all this sauce, guys. Just look at this. You can use this sauce to cook your stew or fried rice or anything. So yeah, so it's ready now. It's time to fry. So we are going to take this, and then in a pan I'm going to add in some oil. To that I'm going to add in some minced garlic just for some flavor, and then I'll give it a stir. And next we add in some flour just to make sure that our chicken is well coated. Yep, so now it's time to transfer all our chicken into it. And guys, just look at this. Oh my god, this chicken tasted super delicious, trust me. I did some for my friends while in Japan and they really enjoyed it. They were like, Dorcas, what did you add as usual? I was like, I made it in a very special way. So when I came back, I decided to make the same thing here in Ghana. And so the other half has fried, and we came to flip it over for the other half to fry as well. So that is just that. And guys, thank you so much. If you are still watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let me know in the comment section how you make your chicken. Let me know if you'll be willing to add all this seasoning to one chicken. And then let me know if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.